How to track order on the shop app. Now in this video, this is going to be very quick. I'm going to teach you how you can track any of the orders available any orders that you have in shop application. Before doing this, make sure that the shop app that you have on your device is updated to its latest version so that you have this kind of feature. So from here, all I have to do is open it up and make sure that you're logged in. You should be able to know that you're logged in successfully because your profile picture will show up at the top left. So at the center of your screen, you should be able to see the home page, the magnifying glass that will redirect you to search, and then your orders. So this is where all your order history will show up, your order processes, like if you cancel your order or any refunds available that you would like to execute using this application. This is where you can add package manually or track the order on Shop app. And that's it. That's how you track order on Shop app.